I'm Lori Eppegard, Project Manager with Construction Engineers. The Grand Forks Public Library renovation was about 6,500 square feet. It included demolition of their existing children's department space and putting back a cool garden forest type theme for the department. The renovation of the space included new flooring, new lighting, and a lot of fun special features that we don't normally get to construct. So our CE team was able to build a 2-story treehouse that included a ramp and a slide, a corner bookcase, wave wall panels, and covering an existing column with a tree trunk type feature with the seating for benches. We had ordered a bunch of children's interactive equipment to be used in the space, so this created quite a playground area for the kids to use. The library space is more energetic, more loud, and not your typical library where you used to be quiet in the space, but children are able to interact, to explore, and also check out their books. So beyond your typical renovation, we saw this project as building relationships. The library staff was more than welcoming to our crews and myself as we worked through their space for the last 4 months. It's meant to be a space for children and their parents, family members to enjoy for many, many years to come. This is Construction Engineers, and we are building for tomorrow.